Cardano value equivalent to $0.3853 a coin. The present exchange cost range is $0.3782 to $0.3892. The earlier day close, $0.3836. The change was plus 0, as in 17 plus 0, 44%. Opposite rate, US to ADA. Cardano estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.2759. Excessive cost $0.2884, while low cost $0.2506. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $0.2711. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $0.2695. Change for September 2.3%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $0.2695. Excessive costs at $0.2695, while low cost were $0.2106. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $0.2440. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $0.2264. Change for October 16.0%. Cardano estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.2264. Exorbitant cost $0.2448, while low cost $0.2128. The found the middle value of costs $0.2282. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends $0.2288. Change for November 1st, 1%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.2288. Exorbitant cost $0.2840, while low cost $0.2288. The found the middle value of cost $0.2518. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends $0.2654. Change for December 16th, 0%. Cardano figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at $0.2654. Excessive cost $0.2953, while low cost $0.2567. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $0.2734. Cardano cost figure toward the month's ends $0.2760. Change for January 4th, 0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at $0.2760. Excessive costs $0.3426, while low costs $0.2760. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $0.3037. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $0.3202. Change for February 16th, 1%. Cardano gauge for walk 2025. To start with cost at $0.3202. Exorbitant cost $0.3974, while low cost $0.3202. The found the middle value of cost $0.3523. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $0.3714. Change for spring 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at $0.3714. Exorbitant cost $0.4586, while low cost $0.3714. The found the middle value of costs $0.4075. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends $0.4286. Change for April 15th, 4%. Cardano estimate for May 2025. At the outset cost at $0.4286. Excessive costs $0.4591, while low costs $0.3991. The arrived at the midpoint of costs $0.4290. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's ends $0.4291. Change for May 0.1%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $0.4291. Exorbitant cost $0.4775, while low cost $0.4151. The found the middle value of cost $0.4420. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end $0.4463. Change for June 4th, 0%. Cardano gauge for July 2025. To start with cost at $0.4463. Exorbitant cost $0.5114, while low cost $0.4444. The found the middle value of cost $0.47. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends at $0.4779. Change for July 7th, 1%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $0.4779. Exorbitant costs $0.5318, while low costs $0.4622. The found the middle value of costs $0.4922. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 0.4970, change for August 4th, 0%. Cardano gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.497. Exorbitant costs are 0.5390, while low costs are 0.4684. The found the middle value of costs are 0.5020. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's ends at 0.5037, change for September 1st, 3%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.5037. Exorbitant costs are 0.5399, while low costs are 0.4693. The found the middle value of costs are 0.5044. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends of 0.5046, change for October's in 0.2%. Cardano estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.5046. Exorbitant costs are 0.6145, while low costs are 0.5046. The found the middle value of costs are 0.5495. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's ends is 0.5743, change for November 13th, 8%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.5743. Exorbitant cost 0.5743, while low cost 0.4823. The found the middle value of cost 0.5374. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 0.5186, change for December 9.7%. Cardano gauge for January 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.5186. Exorbitant cost 0.6437, while low cost 0.5186. The found the middle value of cost 0.5706. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.6016, change for January 16th, %. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.6016. Exorbitant costs 0.6016, while low costs are 0.4699. The found the middle value of costs are 0.5446. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.5053, change for February 16.0%. Cardano estimate for WARC 2026. First and foremost, cost at $0.5053. Exorbitant costs at 0.5053, while low costs are 0.3948. The found the middle value of costs are 0.4575. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 0.4245, change for spring 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. To start with, cost at $0.4245. Exorbitant cost 0.4245, while low cost 0.3683. The found the